Some swear they're cursed to be hunted by mosquitoes, while their close-by companions are regularly left unscathed. But is this an illusion? If not, what's going on, and what can we do about it? It all comes down to how and why mosquitoes find us. While many mosquitoes stick to nectar for sustenance, females also seek out blood to provide the nutrient they need for their eggs. Different mosquito species evolved to feed on different animals, and probably within the last 10,000 years, multiple mosquito lineages independently evolved a protection for people. As human settlement became more permanent, they provided plenty of standing water even through intense dry seasons, which supported mosquito reproduction year-round. Female mosquitoes are equipped with antennae covered in hair-like appendages that contain odor-sensing receptors and neurons. These pick up the signals of the prepared host, and over certain years, mosquitoes that target humans have gotten extremely good at tracking us down. They also target parts of the body where we are less likely to notice them, and they are sensitive to visual cues and changes in airflow. So when we try to defend ourselves, they can make swift escapes. They even learn to avoid particularly defensive people altogether. But before these close encounters happens, several factors alert mosquitoes to people's presence. Female mosquitoes pick up on the carbon dioxide humans constantly exhale from about 10 meters away. Once they got a CO2 cue, they become especially interested in dark, high-contrast objects and the hues found in human skins. And they follow the carbon dioxide plume to its source. They eventually send the body heat and odors. These smells are generated by many microorganisms that live on the skin. They break down the secretion our bodies produce, like sweat and the sebum. In doing so, our skin microbes create smaller organic compounds that can vaporize and get picked up smells that human homing mosquitoes are especially attuned to. Getting extra sweaty can temporarily make people more attractive to mosquitoes, as can ingesting alcohol or being pregnant. And the plasmodium parasite that causes malaria makes the people infect and more appealing to mosquitoes by increasing the amount of certain fruit-smelling aldehyde compounds on the skin. This is extremely helpful to the parasite because it depends on both humans and mosquitoes to reproduce. But in addition to these temporary factors, about 20% of people are thought to be naturally high attractors or mosquito magnets, who are disproportionately targeted year after year. If you're one of them, you're probably aware. Sorry about that. Why this seems to come down to some skin-specific characteristics, while carbon dioxide exhalations and the body heat consistently signal the presence of warm-blooded animals. Human body odors is more distinctive, and everyone has different microbial communities on their skin, which contribute to unique body odors that might likewise vary from person to person. Researchers reveal that receptor mosquitoes use to detect acidic compounds are especially important in helping them navigate towards humans. And indeed, humans with more abundant skin acid prove to be consistently more attractive to mosquitoes. Because it's such a persistent trait, certain genes may play a role, perhaps by helping determine the skin's microbial compositions. Scientists have observed that the mosquito demonstrated similar level of attraction among identical twins while responding more valuably to fraternal twins, which support that there may be some genetic basis at play. But beyond confirming the mosquitoes are, in fact, conspiring against some of us specifically, understanding what makes people mosquito magnets has serious large-scale implications. Every year, hundreds of thousands of people die from mosquito-borne diseases, and resources aren't reaching those who need them most. This knowledge can help us inspire solutions, like more effective insect weapons that manipulate the skin microbiomes and odors. And knowing that some people are especially strong mosquito attractors could also help efforts to get some resources like weapons, bed nets, and vaccine tests and treatments. The result could not only be less itchy, they could break transmission cycles and save countless lives.